breakfast is ready. Look at that. Ah. Come, Tiffany. Come, Gregory.
It's so good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Delicious.
You have to drink a beer with it, don't it? It's good?
And try
I
it.
travel far for these Don't Pops.
You want to try the yellow piece? This? Honey.
Alright guys, we're going to run. Enjoy breakfast.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy, Gregory. Ah.
Can't left now you're ready.
Just,
try this.
you know, just run me.
No, man, so we can't leave when they're ready. So
Oh, you mean
without the food.
you mean hit the road?
Yeah, we can't go road now.
Okay. Alright guys. Thank you for joining us. Bye. I'm gonna leave these lovely people so that they can eat their breakfast. You trying it, baby? Give it a shot. Oh, she does? Awesome.